Morning sun ablaze me skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heart beat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today, so much lost along the way. Me chant feel the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry but just still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace, till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear, forever near. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One north, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright, guided by Jah light.
Spark small but strong. We chant old roots, ancient song. Chalice glow under moonlight. Mind unlock, vision bright. Me no bun fi style or show. Me bun fi know what me should know. Herb nah fool, herb nah trick. It show truth real quick. Every elder when me meet say wisdom grow and heart stay sweet. Me sit, me listen, me nah boast. Silence teach me most. Them laugh say me live too slow, but me see far them only know. Them chase nice, them chase high. Me chase calm, me chase insight. Chalice pass, no greedy and respect rule every man. Target deep, laugh get free. conversation heal we. Chalice and wisdom, fire and thought, more than them ever taught. Chalice and wisdom, burn so clean, show what life really means. My mind travel without plane, true memory, joy and pain. Herb open door, now push me through. Joy still mine, what me do? Me sin mistake, me make me for. Me forgive self, me learn more. Growth now loud, growth now fast. It comes steady, built for last. Me see fast prophets everywhere. Big talk but empty prayer. Me trust the simple, trust the plain. Truth survive without chain. One same smile can light a room. One right word can cut through gloom. Chalice teach me to stay real. Feel what me feel. Fire crackle, lessons speak. Strong now mean you can't be weak. Balance form between the two. Fire burn but still cool. Chalice and wisdom, fire and thought, more than them ever taught. Chalice and wisdom, burn so clean, show what life really means. When fire low and night grows still, me carry truth against me will. Chalice stand but inside stay. Guide me steps another day. Guide me steps another day. Nah, nah, nah. Nightfall calm, but drums still beat. Rhythm rise from every street. Heart sync up with every tone. Peace step forward, pain step gone. Me see the elders gather round. Hands create that ancient sound. Drum skin vibrate through the air. Lift the spirit everywhere. People sway in unity. Every movement energy. Rhythm heal the broken soul. Bring the whole world back to all. Me feel the pulse beneath me feet. Guiding steps so firm, so sweet. Voices blend like morning dew. Pure vibration shining through. Every chant remove the fear. Pull the distant future near. Harmony build strong and wide. Carry joy like ocean tide. Rise of the healing rhythm strong. Carry the people all along. Beat of hope, beat of life. Wash away the stress and strife. Let the drum unlock the heart. Bring the world a brand new start. Healing rhythm, pure and free. Lift the global energy. Children dance with glowing eyes. Feel the spirit start to rise. Elders smile and sway in time. Each heartbeat create a rhyme. Every drum talk truth and love. Blessing shower from
as rhythm chase away the night. People join from every place, different voice but same embrace. Together strong, together high, lift the vibe toward the sky. Healing spread through every land, touch each soul with gentle hand. Close your eyes, release the past. Let the rhythm hold you fast. Let it guide you through the storm, till your heart feels safe and warm. Rise of the healing rhythm strong, carry the people all along. Beat of hope, beat of life, wash away the stress and strife. Let the drum unlock the heart, bring the world a brand new start. Healing rhythm, pure and free, lift the global energy. When the final echo fade, no new strength inside is made. Healing rhythm ever stay, guide you through each coming day.
Nah, nah, nah.
Night from hold the fire still, follow Jah will. In a darkness me guard the light, truth shine bright. Me watch the stars, me hear Jah voice, me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift. From above them chase power, chase gold. Them spirit cold, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny, me got the spark in a me chest. Jah manifest, me see them mark the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm, Jah keep me warm. No shadow deep enough to hide, truth inside. Me light me chalice, chant me psalm, heart calm. Keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man, part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure, faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside, till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare, still Jah dear. Me see the moon reflect the truth, guide the youth. Them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad. Cause me know Jah never sleep, promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow, them power go. Me flame expose the wrong them do, light shine through. Me guard the spark for every soul, make them whole. Me live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame, no wind can blow the light away. It dead to stay, Just spirit fuel the fire strong, burn all wrong. Me hold the lamp in every fight, bring the light. Keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man, part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure, faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside, till the tide. Na na na. Yeah. Oh yeah. Na na na. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Na na na. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Light up the heart of man. Keeper of the flame so pure, faith endure. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Oh, oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me wake up with fire in chest, no rest. Lion heart beat steady strong, just song. Me roar in a valley wide, no hide. Courage grow like tree, set me free. Them try bring down me spirit low, still me glow. Lion
Lion heart no bow to fear, truth clear. Every trial build me soul, self-control me walk through. Fire call, holy psalm. Me hear the voice of ancient kings, freedom rings. Them say stand firm in a truth, teach the youth. Me carry legacy so bright, Jah light. No enemy can tame me roar, me soar. Lion heart stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart no retreat, face it. Me see the battle in the street, still me beat. Me fight with love, not gun, victory won. Lion heart protect the weak, freedom speak. Me lead them through storm, keep warm. Me no seek crown or gold, me soul bold. Me serve the people true like Jah do. Lion heart within me chest, never rest. Me roar of hope and peace, love increase. When the night dark and cold, me stay bold. Just strength in every beat, complete. Lion heart carry Jah fire, never tire. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat, face it. Lion heart, guard the land, take stand. Lion heart, fear no foe, blessed flow. So when the storm roll again, me remain. Lion heart forever true, Jah crew. Ay, 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 flow like river, pure and calm, healing balm. Me hear the water sing soft tune under moon. Love river run through me vein, wash pain. Jah creation so divine, truly fine. Me see the lover smile shine, bright, holy light. Me see the child laugh and play, new day. Love river flow from mountain high, never dry. It carry peace and truth, eternal youth. Me walk beside the stream so deep, spirit keep. Me feel the cool breeze kiss me skin, joy within. No hatred can survive, love revive. River teach me how to forgive, truly live. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real, make we heal. Me see the elders sit and pray, peaceful day. Them say keep love in motion, through devotion. River carry wisdom, old stories told. Me bathe in a truth again, no pain. Me hear the
whisper in the wave. Just save. Me see reflection of light shining bright. No end, no beginning clear. John near. Love river, guide me soul, make me whole. Me learn to flow, not fight, through night. Every turn just show me grace, holy place. Love river teach patience, true essence. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine pure and real, make we heal. Love river carry soul, make we whole. Love river strong and deep, peace we keep. So when life feel dry and hard, hold your card. Love river never end, flow again.
Nah Nah Rastaman, grind the ganja, yeah man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beat in Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit floats, guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love's solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we roar with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall.
Na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Me stand beside the restless tide, feel the ocean open wide. Waves them chant a timeless beat, wash me out and cool the heat. Me watch the water rise and fall, hear a distant seabird call. A fisherman may net with care, salt breeze twist within his hair. He tell me life flow like the sea, but so will peace. Me listen close to every line, each word sailing to me mind. A sculptor carve a stone near shore, shape the ocean at its core. He said me call me see, strength and softness live in we. Me study how his carving shine, smooth as rhythm, sharp as spine. See from kiss the rugged edge, make the moment feel like pledge. Yeah, dance of the ocean, spirit strong, sing a deep, eternal song. Lift me soul through crest and truth, teach me strength when life get rough. Ocean spirit bold and true, carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide, hold me steady by your side. Children run along the sand, shells them jingling in hand. Them build a castle high and grand, wave come crash but still them stand. The laughter echo loud and bright, charge the water with delight. Me smile as hope refill the air, simple joy beyond compare. Evening color wash the sea, purple gold in harmony. Boats return with weary crew, grateful for the work them do. Them share small stories, humble real. Every line me truly feel. Ocean hum a sacred tune, bless the rising crescent moon. Flow with courage, flow with grace, let the tide define your pace. Every crest and every dip, guide your heart through every trip. Oh, dance of the ocean, spirit strong, sing a deep, eternal song. Lift my soul through crest and trough, teach me strength when life get rough. Ocean spirit bold and true, carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide, hold me steady by your side. So when trouble cloud your day, let the ocean show your way. Spirit dance across the foam, lead your weary heart back home. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Oh no. Me step into a valley bathed in morning gold, quiet stories waiting to unfold. Breeze low above the land, carry blessings soft and grand. Me walk a trail of ancient stone, feel the heartbeat of the zone. Birds them circle high and free, teaching lessons silently. A farmer raises hand with smile, say stay true through every mile. Me nod and let his wisdom stay, fuel me spirit through the day. Beside a river calm and wide, fisherman cast line with pride. He tell me patience rule the tide, don't let hurry be your guide. Me watch the water ripple bright, reflecting day, rejecting night. Me feel a shift inside me chest, like troubled thoughts find place for rest. Yes, echoes of the golden valley call, lift me spirit when me fall. Guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light. Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long. Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me in a throne. Me pass a child who sketch the scene, shades of amber, blue and green.
She said, every color hold a dream, more than what it first may seem. Her innocence inspire me mind, push me hard to stay aligned. Me breathe in deep, peaceful space, feel Jah presence in the place. When sunset lay a crimson flare, voices gather everywhere. Villagers share tunes and tales, chant of hopeful winding trails. The harmony lift up the air, pull me soul from every care. Me give thanks for all me view, bless the valley deep and true. Hold the moment soft yet bright, keep them shining through the night. Every echo shape your way, guide your heart from day to day. Where echoes of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall, guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light. Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long. Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me in a throne. So when doubt cloud up your mind, return where echoes stay refined. Golden Valley ever near, turn your sorrow into cheer.
Nah, 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 Jah bless the world, yeah, man. Open me eye on golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft, lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight, but love bring light. Yeah, me walk through fire, me walk through rain, still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again, wash away the stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside, Rasta youth can't hide. Yeah, the path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king, me let the spirit sing. Yeah, even when the world feel cold, me soul stable. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah light in everyone. Yeah, shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Yeah, lift my soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Me see the youth them searching wide, truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan, them ready for stand. Yeah, me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made, each man a temple, each soul divine, like the sun will shine. Yeah, me chant upon the mountain high, lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away, light up the day. Yeah, me feel Jah glory deep within, burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake, a new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, sing Jah song. Yeah, when Babylon try mash me faith, me rise, me create. Yeah, the spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Yeah, spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Yeah, spirit of the sun, forever rise, truth reflecting me eyes. No shadow strong enough